volume by multiplying area of base times height. So in our two different formulas for volume, you could say volume equals length times height times width, or you could say volume equals base times height. And when you use base times height, what they've already done is they've already multiplied the length times the width together. So it's actually a little bit faster and it's a little bit easier. This says, what is the volume of the following rectangular prism? I see this length is 5/2 units long. And I see that this area here, this whole green area that they've shaded in, that's the length and width already multiplied. Remember, it's already been multiplied for us, is 27/5. So let's multiply 5/2 times 27/5. Volume equals base times height. It gave us the base. So we can simplify before we multiply here. I see 5 and 5 as a numerator and denominator. 5 will go into 5 one time. 5 will go into 5 one time. And 2 and 27 have no common multiples. 1 times 27 is 27, and 2 times 1 is 2. Let's go ahead and divide that to see what we get for our simplified answer. 27 is our dividend. 2 is our divisor. 2 will go into 27. Well, 2 will go into 26 13 times. 13 times 2 is 26. And there's 1 left. So the volume of this is 13 units and 1/2, 1/2 of another unit. Cubed. 13 and 1/2. We know that the base equals length times width, already multiplied. Multiply base times height, and then we'll simplify. I'm putting stars. That's like an asterisk. It just means multiply. Let's do another one of these where we'll have to convert to an improper fraction. Mixed numbers are nice. They make things a little bit more meaningful, but we really can't do much work with a mixed number. We have to have an improper fraction.
Why do you have to have an improper fraction?
Because you can't multiply. You have to have an improper fraction because you can't multiply whole numbers and denominators and whole numbers and numerators. You have to have a whole numerators times numerators only. Denominators times denominators only. So let's convert 7 1/3 to an improper fraction. 3 times 7 would be 21, plus the numerator, 22/3. Volume equals base times height. It gives us the base as 22/3. The height is 2, so we still have to convert that into an improper fraction, 2 over 1. 22 times 2 would be 44. 3 over 1 would be 3. 44 divided by 3. 3 will go into 4 one time. 1 left, bring down the 4. 3 will go into 14 4 times. 4 times 3 is 12. And there's 2 left. We'll just leave our answer as a fraction. So we have 14 and 2 over 3 units cubed. Raise your hand if you'd like to go over one more of these. I think these are probably simpler than the other ones.
I think those are the easiest.
Yeah, I think these might be the easiest because your base has already been multiplied. So all you have to do is multiply base times height. We'll do one more. Yeah? I'd have to work it out again. I don't know. Just work it out again. Don't tell them the answer. That's not going to help anybody if you tell them the answer. We'll get one. We'll find another one where we have to convert. We've already had our base multiplied for us. They've already done length times width. Oops. Length. Misspelled length there. Did I just do this one? Yep. Here's one last one that we'll do. It's already found our base for us. We just need to convert it into an improper fraction. 8 times 3 is 24. Plus 3 is 27 over 8. Times the height, which is 2. 27 times 2. 54. Oh, actually, let's simplify before we multiply. 27 and 1. 1's the lowest multiple, least common multiple possible, so we can't go any lower than 1. But 8 and 2, I know 2 will go into 2 one time, and 2 will go into 8 4 times. So 27 times 1 is 27. 4 times 1 is 4. 27 divided by 4. That will be 6. 6 times 4 is 24. 3 left, so we have 6 and 3/4 units cubed. Raise your hand when you get 100 on this assignment. I think there's only 4 questions, right? Okay. Oh, I just assigned them all at the same time. This was volume by multiplying area of base